Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your data with AT&T step by step clearly. First, ensure both devices are charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Start by backing up your old device. For iPhone users, go to Settings, then tap your name at the top. Select iCloud, then tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now and wait for the backup to complete. For Android users, go to Settings, then tap on Accounts and Backup. Choose Backup and Restore and select Backup My Data. Confirm the backup process and wait for it to finish. Once your old device is backed up, power on your new device. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the Apps and Data screen. Select Restore from iCloud Backup for iPhone users. Log into your Apple ID, then choose the latest backup to restore. For Android users, select Restore from Google Drive. Log into your Google account and choose the backup you want to restore. Wait for the restoration process to complete. After the transfer is finished, sign back into your apps. Check to ensure all your data, photos, and contacts have transferred successfully. If you have content from specific apps, like music or books, you may need to download them separately. Finally, ensure your new device is set up according to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.